Every year, Apple spends billions of dollars on advertisements to convince people of how much Apple cares about their privacy. However, Apple's largest international market, China, has decided not to buy that story anymore. It has banned the use of iPhones among government employees, just days ahead of Apple's most anticipated annual event. The shares of Apple and companies tied to Apple's supply chain slid after the report. Something similar happened in 2022 when Chinese government agencies and state-owned companies were ordered to replace foreign computers, including Macintosh, with domestic alternatives by 2024. Before that, almost 5 years ago, Apple publicly blamed the US-China trade war and the local economy for the weak sales of its recently introduced iPhone XS and XR. Apart from public criticism in an internal email to the company's board, Apple's chief executive officer Tim Cook cited Chinese nationalism and growing competition from local rivals. Growing Chinese nationalism may also encourage other Chinese consumers to shun the iPhone and other foreign branded devices, hurting other tech giants. In fact, a video published online on Wednesday showed strong foot traffic at an Apple store in Guangzhou. But the post's comments quickly filled up with the anti-Apple rhetoric. But it's not only Chinese authorities trying to restrict American products. During his term, US President Trump blacklisted Chinese tech maker Huawei, and later President Biden restricted US tech firms from supplying advanced semiconductor chips and chip-making equipment to China. In return, Beijing banned its operators of critical information infrastructure from doing business with Micron Tech, an Idaho-based chipmaker. However, the US ban did not stop China from advancing its semiconductor industry. Huawei's latest smartphone, the Mate 60 Pro, with the new Kirin 9000S chip and an advanced 7nm processor, is proof. However, in the case of Apple, which also employs millions of Chinese workers, the Chinese government may consider not punishing the company too severely. But will it affect the sales of the iPhone 15 and other upcoming American products in China? Stay tuned to Business Standard to find out.